A top story coming in from Tamil Nadu, where there's a poster war that's broken out, and that's coming in with regard to Governor RN Ravi. Now, here's what's happened. Posters urging the governor to sack the corrupt ministers of the state. There's a poster that has come up. Look closely on your screens. And I quote the excerpt of the poster saying, "Ask Centre to remove all corrupt Mantris." Now, this is interesting. Remember, this is amid Senthil Balaji, who was dismissed earlier by the governor, and then the decision was put on hold. It's a poster war erupting in Tamil Nadu against Governor Ravi. Posters urging the governor to sack all corrupt mantris. Ask Centre to remove all the corrupt ministers of all the states. We are being told that the Dravida Munnetra Karagam has put up these posters against Ravi over Senthil Balaji. We'll get in more latest on that and coming in. Remember, it's become a huge issue, and Pramod Madhav will get us the latest on that. Pramod, what does this mean? Why have, if these posters are by the DMK, what is the intention to say, ask the centre to remove all the ministers?
A particular statement from the governor's office yesterday very clearly stated that there are several cases pending against Senthil Balaji. One portion is being investigated by the Enforcement Directorate and the other by the Tamil Nadu Police, and that's the reason the Governor Ravi gave it as a reason, claiming that if Senthil Balaji continues to be the minister, it will hinder with the investigation. And the statement also claimed that Senthil Balaji was hindering with the investigation, and that's the reason Governor said that it was necessary for him to dismiss Senthil Balaji from the Council of Ministers. Now, cadres supporting DMK and they have put forward these posters where 6 union ministers' names are there, and the pending cases against their name have also been revealed, and claimed that this particular poster questions if Governor Ravi will write to Delhi seeking their dismissal. This way, DMK has sit back at Governor Ravi Puja.
All right, Pramod, please keep tracking the latest on this. This is a big story, remember. And now the posters have come up about why not ask all other ministers also, of all corrupt ministers of all states, to be removed then by the centre. So there was a midnight twist in Tamil Nadu. Now remember, the governor had suddenly decided to announce the dismissal of Minister Senthil Balaji, who was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in the month of June. And now that dismissal over midnight was suddenly put on hold. According to our sources, Tamil Nadu governor's decision to sack Senthil Balaji will be decided after legal opinions will be sought of the Attorney General. Dravida Munnetra Karagam meanwhile put up posters across the state depicting various cases against several ministers of the state, asking if Governor Ravi will write to Delhi seeking their removal also. The sacked minister was arrested, remember, by the ED on money laundering charges. It was an alleged cash for job scam, and this happened on 14th June. But he was retained as a minister without any portfolio still in MK Stalin's cabinet. And citing reasons now for dismissal, Tamil Nadu governor had said Senthil is facing serious criminal proceedings in a number of corruption cases and had accused Senthil for influencing investigation and obstructing due process of law and justice.
We have maintained that order does not even have the value of the paper on which it is written. In a constitutional democracy, you cannot pass an order without any legal sanctity. Some law, some statute, some constitutional provision should give you the power to pass an order, to give you the power to do a thing. When you don't have such power, which is not traceable to any provision of law or constitution, how can the governor do this? So the governor is thoroughly exposed. He is not acting as per the constitution. He is there to undermine our constitutional democracy. He is acting illegally. This is just done to intimidate. If the same logic, analogy applies, tomorrow the governor, in my discretion, I am dismissing the judge of the High Court, I am dismissing the CJ, I am dismissing the DGP, I am dismissing the Chief Secretary, because I don't like them, because I have the discretion.
All right, so this is a big news that's coming in. Remember, in Tamil Nadu, a minister who has been arrested by the ED on serious charges of money laundering and was then suddenly dismissed by the governor. So there were questions raised of, can a governor take that position? Can a governor actually go ahead and make an announcement of this nature without consulting MK Stalin? And now suddenly he's put that decision on hold. Joining me now is Pramod Madhav on the latest. Pramod, because this raises a lot of questions. Can the governor take such a decision? Also, why did M.K. Stalin not dismiss the minister if he was already facing serious criminal proceedings and charges? So what's happening politically within the state of Tamil Nadu now?
The only way we could label the case of Senthil Balaji is like something called a Swedish case of Senthil Balaji, because back in 2015, 2016 and 2017, it was the DMK party, it was Chief Minister M.K. Stalin who put forward these allegations against Senthil Balaji, calling him a corrupt minister and that he should not be given a ticket once again to contest in Tamil Nadu. But however, all things changed when Senthil Balaji joined DMK, and this is where the issue, currently the whole of DMK is supporting Senthil Balaji, and he has not even removed from the cabinet ministers. This now has escalated to a larger level because the governor, on one side, he has dismissed the minister, but DMK claims that this is against the constitution and that the governor does not have any rights to that. So in that front, they are supporting Senthil Balaji, claiming that the governor is overstepping, and this is the reason they claim that they are extending their support to Senthil Balaji. In fact, today we're also getting information that definitely this case will be mentioned in the court, and in a way, the lawyers of DMK have also prepared for the day, Pooja.
Very interesting. Pramod Madhav will be tracking the latest that comes in on this big story from the state of Tamil Nadu.